Smith & Wesson Model 340 PD. The Smith & Wesson Model 340 PD is a remarkable micro-revolver that balances lightweight carry with full power performance. Chambered for .357 Magnum and compatible with .38 Special Plus P, its 5-shot cylinder is made from titanium alloy, surrounding a stainless steel barrel liner, mounted to a scandium alloy frame. Unloaded weight hovers around 11 to 12 ounces, making the 340 PD an excellent choice for deep concealment and off-duty or backup carry. The enclosed hammer design reduces snagging for smooth draws, while the ultra-short, roughly 1.875-inch barrel keeps overall dimensions minimal. That compact package, however, brings sharp recoil. Shooters report a stout, punishing impulse that demands a firm, proper grip and deliberate follow-through. Responsible ammunition selection, training, and realistic expectations are essential. Its stopping potential is high, but controllability is limited compared with larger revolvers. For those prioritizing extreme concealability without sacrificing caliber, the Model 340 PD is an impressive engineering solution. Powerful, compact, and built with materials engineered to shave weight while retaining strength and reliability. Lipsey's LCR .32H and R Mag. Lipsey's exclusive Ruger LCR .32H and R Magnum resurrects the modestly overlooked .32H and R Magnum cartridge in an ultra-compact revolver tailored for deep concealment. This micro-revolver pairs a 6-shot cylinder with compatibility for .32S and W long and .32S and W, broadening ammunition choices for the owner. Its bronze anodized aluminum frame and Hogue Tamir grips shave weight, about 13.9 ounces unloaded, making it among the lightest practical carry revolvers available. Designers emphasize manageable recoil, reportedly 30 to 40% lower than typical .38 special snubs, a boon for quick follow-up shots, and shooter comfort. Features such as an internal hammer, smooth trigger, and compact dimensions promote rapid deployment from concealment while retaining reliable handling. Though the .32H and R Magnum cannot match larger calibers for raw stopping power, the package prioritizes real-world usability, deep carry, and high build quality. As with any ultra-compact platform, effective use depends on precise shot placement, quality ammunition, and practiced handling, yet this LCR variant offers a compelling balance of concealability and credible performance. NAA Sentinel. The NAA Sentinel exemplifies the modern trend of ultra-compact revolvers engineered for concealment without entirely sacrificing power. Built on North American Arms Mini platform, the Sentinel blends the diminutive footprint of the Pug with the practical swing-out cylinder of the Sidewinder line. Chambered in .22, Winchester Magnum rimfire, and holding 5 rounds, it pairs a short 1.425-inch barrel with an overall length near 4.9 inches and a height around 2.8 inches. Constructed from 17-4 stainless steel for frame and cylinder, the Sentinel delivers durability uncommon in such a small package. Thoughtful touches, XS white dot sights and textured rubber grips signal NAA's intent for the model to be a carryable, serviceable option rather than mere novelty. As with all micro-revolvers, trade-offs exist. Stout recoil, a cramped grip for many hands, and limited capacity can hinder rapid follow-ups and control. Still, for those prioritizing discreet carry and simple, rugged design, the NAA Sentinel is a compelling choice. It remains popular with carriers. Taurus 692 Executive. The Taurus 692 Executive grade refines the medium-frame revolver with premium materials and thoughtful versatility. Chambered for .357 Magnum and .38 Special Plus P in its 7-round cylinder, it also accepts 9mm through an interchangeable cylinder, letting shooters balance power and economy. A 3-inch ported stainless steel barrel reduces muzzle rise and tames recoil, complementing the revolver's roughly 35-ounce unloaded mass to deliver controllable follow-up shots. Fit and finish separate the Executive from basic duty guns. A hand-tuned trigger, satin-polished stainless surfaces, and checkered walnut grips lend precision and traditional aesthetics. Those features make the 692 both a capable defensive tool and a pleasantly shot handgun for range days. Practical trade-offs include its medium frame size and weight, which favor compact duty carry over deep concealment. Overall, the Taurus 692 Executive grade blends firepower, tailored ergonomics, and refined craftsmanship into a versatile package for shooters who want a revolver that performs as well as it looks in everyday use and beyond. Colt King Carry. The Colt King Cobra Carry is a compact but potent revolver engineered for serious concealed carry use. Chambered in .357 Magnum with a 6-shot cylinder and a short 2-inch barrel, it brings full power performance into a carry-friendly package. Built from stainless steel with a brushed finish, the pistol evokes the rugged build quality associated with the Colt name. A bobbed hammer in the double-action-only model enables snag-free draws, while Black Hogue over-molded grips help tame recoil in the brisk short barrel format. Compared with many snub-nose revolvers that often hold 5 rounds, the King Cobra carry's 6-round capacity is a meaningful advantage. Its size balances concealability and performance, heavier than ultra-micro handguns, yet still suitable for deep carry while delivering real stopping power. Drawbacks include heavier recoil, a short sight radius, and relatively substantial carry weight, which demand regular training to master. For shooters who prioritize caliber and durability over ultralight carry, the King Cobra carry is a compelling option right now. Taurus 650. The Taurus 650 marks a serious return to the small-frame, high-power revolver segment. Chambered for .357 Magnum and able to fire .38 Special and .38 Special plus P, this 5-shot snub packs significant stopping power into a deep carry-friendly package. One standout is its fully shrouded internal hammer and double-action-only trigger, a combination that promotes snag-free draws and simplifies operation for concealed carry. Available with 2-inch or 3-inch barrels and offered in matte black alloy steel or stainless finishes, the 650 balances compact dimensions with durable construction. At roughly 22.9 ounces unloaded, it is heavier than ultra-light snub revolvers, a trade-off that helps absorb recoil when firing full-power .357 loads. Practical for those wanting a true snub .357, the Taurus 650 delivers hard-hitting performance in a small footprint. Prospective owners should note the short sight radius, basic fixed sights, and stout dowel trigger. Proficiency and regular training are essential to control recoil and make the revolver effective in defensive situations and confident carry practice. Diamondback SDR 9mm. The Diamondback SDR 9mm is a compact revolver that marries concealability with pragmatic defensive design. Built on a forged stainless steel frame with a 2-inch barrel and 6-shot cylinder, the SDR accepts 9x19mm Luger cartridges and weighs about 21 ounces, light enough for deep concealment yet robust for everyday carry. Low-profile fiber optic sights aid fast sight picture while reducing snag during the draw. Diamondback's proprietary Moonclip system, supplied with the pistol through a TK custom partnership, simplifies loading and ensures reliable extraction of rimless rounds, and 3 clips included improved reload readiness, the push-button cylinder release and captured crane streamline maintenance and operation under stress. While a snub-nose 9mm cannot match long-range power of larger handguns, the SDR blends the popular 9mm cartridge with revolver simplicity, appealing to shooters who value ammunition commonality, reliability, and minimal training. As with any compact defensive firearm, mastering grip, trigger control, and follow-through is essential for safe, confident, everyday carry. Smith & Wesson M&P Bodyguard. The Smith & Wesson M&P Bodyguard is a compact revolver engineered for deep concealment without sacrificing dependable defensive performance. Chambered in .38 Special plus P with a 5-round cylinder, its small footprint and lightweight make it ideal for pocket or ankle carry. A short 1.875-inch barrel and overall length near 6.6 inches pair with an approximately 14-ounce weight, producing a truly pocketable package. The hammerless double-action-only design minimizes snagging during the draw, while an aluminum alloy frame mated to a stainless steel barrel and cylinder keeps strength high and mass low. Some models feature PVD coatings for extra durability. Controls are user-friendly, including an ambidextrous cylinder release and a one-piece polymer grip for secure handling. Compromises include a short sight radius, stout recoil with plus P loads, and a modest 5-shot capacity compared with semi-automatic pistols. For those valuing simple, time-tested revolver mechanics and maximum concealability, the M&P Bodyguard remains a practical, trustworthy option for personal defense. It delivers everyday concealed carry confidence. Kimber K6S. The Kimber K6S pushes the boundaries of compact defensive revolvers. This 6-shot wheelgun chambers .357 Magnum while also shooting .38 Special, delivering full power performance in a carry-friendly package. Built on a stainless steel small frame, the 2-inch barrel model weighs about 23 ounces and features an exceptionally slim 1.39-inch diameter cylinder, one of the smallest 6-shot cylinders in production. Kimber's design emphasizes concealability and ergonomics, recessed internal hammer in Dow models for snag-free draws, smooth radiused edges, and a match-grade trigger for precise shooting. Sight configurations range from white dot to tritium night and fiber optic fronts to suit low-light or rapid acquisition needs. The K6S stands out by combining caliber, capacity, and quality materials, but the trade-off is perceptible recoil from the potent .357 in a compact frame. Follow-up shots demand practice. For shooters seeking maximum stopping power without sacrificing size, the K6S represents a premium, carry-centric revolver that prioritizes performance over minimalism. It's a considered choice for experienced carriers and confident defenders alike.